I'm Richard Elashadi Altuzemi. 2023 presidential candidate under the Labour Party, Peter Obi, does visit the governor of Oyo State for Ibadan, Makinde, over the explosion when killed people and loss of lives and property when it happened due to the explosion. He go console the governor for the lives of people when we say loss and properties were lost for the state. According to Makinde, he say even a PDP presidential candidate during the 2023 election, Atiku never ever call her or test her for wetin happen for the Ibadan. You get the point. According to her, he say not be just to contest or to vote for position na it matter. What matter is your heart towards your citizens, their well-being. You get the point. So he happy for the visit when Mr. Peter Obi visited. Meanwhile, Peter Obi doesn't give the Nigerian government idea on how they can put the country back to our feet due to a high cost of living and things when they play due to insecurity. Observe.
We hope so. It should be. Welcome, sir. Your Excellency, sir.
Inside office.
So we'll go to the coffee room.
Okay. On the recent bomb blast, to be able to, through him, extend our condolences to the bereaved families and all those who lost their valuable properties and everything. Assure them of our prayers that God will grant all those who lost their life eternal rest, and those who lost their assets, the opportunity rebuilding. Also, to thank the governor for his prompt response. That's what governance should be. When there's a problem, the system, like I've told him privately, he might not bring back the lost lives or replace the properties that we lost. But that response gives assurances and confidence to people that there's a government and a system that cares for them. So we thank him for that response and for also ensuring that a proper investigation starts in earnest, and also setting up a kind of support facility that people can be able to support those who are going through problems. That's basically where we are.
On behalf of the government and the good people of Oyo State, to thank His Excellency Peter Gregory Obi, former governor of Anambra State, and also the presidential candidate of Labour Party in the last presidential election. I thank you because politics didn't seep into this. You came here to commiserate with us over the explosion. Actually, it's though investigation into the details are still going on, it was simply illegal miners storing explosives in an environment where they shouldn't be. It's a place where it's meant, for people to live in. It's not a mining site, So all the lapses that allow such to happen are being looked into. I'm particularly grateful because the president called me. You are 3 musketeers that went for that election. The president has reached out to me. You have reached out to me. But my own party candidates, not even a call or a text message. I mean, I'm saying it openly so that our leaders will know that you have time for politics, you have time for governance, and you have time for humanity. So we want to say thank you so much, sir, and we appreciate this visit. This is I'm sure you.
What I would say is that all of us are now involved, and all of us should work hard and do the necessary sacrifice to see that we turn around the situation. And that is why it is necessary that when things like what happened here happened, and the government responded in a manner the government should respond, that everybody comes to participate and commend them for doing the right thing, and that we all do the right thing. It's a lot of sacrifice. Today, elections are over. Governance is the key thing, and what is required is, for me in particular, is that we need to cut the cost of governance, especially at the federal level. It is unacceptable the way we're going. We need to prioritize areas, critical areas, education.